So today on the road project we're going to be fixing a Caterpillar track trailer system, because as you'll see in 1 second, this bulldozer bar is not up to the task of having a tow ball directly connected. So that is the issue we got to fix today. So hi, my name's Chris and welcome to the Rural Project. So today, as you've seen, I'm going to have to fix this issue on the Cat dozer blade. That's where I connect the trailer when I need to do a bit of off-road trailer work. And today this is the way that I'm going to fix it. So I've bought a trailer tow ball hitch, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to weld this to the dozer blade. My plan is to cut down into the dozer blade so this sits in nicely, weld it in place, and then put a couple of supporting brackets on and weld those in place as well. Right, now that's marked out. Let's get the cutting disc on the angle grinder and we'll get that cut out. Okay, so now it's time to clean this area up, get the welder out, get the generator out, and get this thing welded into place. Once it's in place, I'll then work out exactly what sort of bracketry I'm going to put on it. Okay, let's get the rest of the tools out. Okay, we are ready for welding. Generator out, welding gear out. Sort of prep that surface, so cleaned the surface and also cut back, put a bit of a chamfer in there. Got a nice earth, nice clean earth, and it's time to start a little bit of welding. So that's how she's going to go in, and yeah, there's a bit of weld to build up on the sides. You'll see how crap I am at welding once you start seeing this, but it'll be functional, it'll work, and if it falls off I'll just weld it again. I can't get the large generator to stay running, so it's time to swap it out for the smaller one. Smaller one being a lot more reliable, but as you'll hear when you're welding, it's certainly struggling. as you could see, the welding was pretty ordinary there, but it's effective. It's going to get the job done for what this task is. I was looking at different ways of putting brackets on, and well, look, I've just decided to go with a pretty easy one. So the part that we cut off last time, the section in here, cut that down, reshaped it slightly, and that bracket is going to get welded in on the underside. And I think that's going to do. As I was thinking of putting something over the top, but we'll see. If I have any hassles with this, I might have to do that. But I think that bracket is going to be quite ample. And I think I'm going to get the MIG welder out, purely because I'm a little bit better with the MIG welder, and we'll see. Hopefully I can get a few neater welds, but I know it'll struggle with this thick material, so I'll give it a try anyway. Okay, and there we go. A little bit of grinding, a little bit of black paint, and that turns it into a professional welding job. Well, not quite, but good enough for me. Right, let's show you what this is going to look like. So there, and pin in. Toe ball in slot. Right, well, I'm happy with that. It's exactly fit for purpose. It's exactly what I wanted. Fit for purpose. Not a professional job. If I could do a professional job, I would do, but I can't. So yeah, welding's as good as it gets. Takes a lot of years of practice. Right, I'm going to tidy this area up now and go put this thing to use. Heading down to the bottom of Slippery Hill, down in the gully, get the trailer hooked up, and we'll go collect some more firewood, which is just what we were doing in yesterday's video. So I won't record all that because it's just a lot more rinse and repeat. But needless to say, I'll bring you back right at the end of the day and show you how well it's worked. Alright, so the cat track trailer, I'm going to start calling this, all ready for action. Solid as ever, never going to go anywhere that. Right, let's get it into some wood, get this trailer loaded, and then get it back up at the hill. One trailer fully loaded, the cat track, trailer train is now ready to depart. Right, I'm going to leave it there. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you have, stick around because there'll be more videos coming soon. Thanks for watching, wherever you are in the world.